Assalamualaikum. We conducted a childhood autism rating scale second edition on a child from age range of 11. First of all, I would like to tell about what CARS2-HF actually is. CARS2-HF stands for Childhood Autism Rating Scale Second Edition High Functioning version. It was developed by Eric Scoper, Mary Evan, G. Genevieve Wellman, and Stephen R. Love, and published by Western Psychological Services. It is used to identify autism spectrum disorder in individuals with average or above average IQ, assesses severity of autism symptoms, help guide clinical diagnosis and intervention planning. It is typically used for children aged 6 plus years, adolescents, and adults who are verbally fluent. If Now let me tell you about how it actually works. So it is rated through 5 behavioral areas such as social understanding, emotional expression, communication, sensory responses. Each item is scored from 1 to 4. 1 is equals to within normal limits, 2 equals to mild difficulty, 3 equals to moderate difficulty, and 4 equals to severe difficulty. The scores are added to get our total raw score as we get here. Now if I talk about what we conducted and what results we got raw score of 28, which suggests the individual shows clinically significant autism traits. Symptoms are present across multiple domains, and severity is mild to moderate, as it's shown here. Mild to moderate symptoms of autism spectrum disorder 28 to 33.5. The child may likely to notice difficulties in social emotional understanding, emotional regulation, and restricted interest and change adaptation, communication differences. However, it is not in the severe range. Many abilities appear closer to typical functioning. Several items scored 1 or 2. Now, if we talk about how we conduct this interpretation, so I interpreted it using following steps. First of all, I look at the total raw score. The raw score determines severity classification. Secondly, we compare with severity ranges printed on the form. The form itself gives 3 ranges: 15 to 27.5 minimal or no, 28 to 33.5 that we got with the child we conducted this test, equals to mild and moderate, and then 34 plus means severe. Our score is 28, so it falls into mild moderate ASD symptom range. Then at last, we review pattern of item scores from the visible scores. Several 2s equals to mild differences, some 3s moderate differences, few 1s with the normal limits, no 4s severe. This pattern supports presence of ASD traits but not severe impairment. And at the end of CARS2-HF, I would like to tell that it does not diagnose autism alone. It must be interpreted by a qualified clinical psychologist or psychiatrist and should be combined with development history, parent interview, school reports, direct observation, and DSM-5 criteria.